Good afternoon, welcome to the original Dr. Bieber's Ranch. This is a couple hours after I called the irrigation district. Actually, it's more than a couple hours. It's a few hours after I called the irrigation district. Told them that my flow was like down to less than 50%. I took a video of that this morning. And now look at this. Wow. Wow, what do you know? Is this some kind of miracle or something? Look at this. Look at this. Ah. So that only took like 14, 16 hours to establish that amount of flow. It's better than it was this morning. Thank you, irrigation district. But then again, you just proved my point. What's going on up there? I already have video and witness documentation from last night when he was up there running his wheel lines well after dark, and after my turn for the water was, and I didn't have any water flow this morning. So I called the irrigation district, and now look at that. I'm only 14 hours behind on the 36 hours that I get. Something wrong with this picture. I want it right. I'm not going to stop. In the meantime, don't forget to stay tuned.